fake it till you make it is one of the most powerful ideas on the street. But it's also one of the most dangerous if you misunderstand it. Because I've seen people walk into rooms they were never ready for, talk like they belong, dress like they belong, and mess up the moment they're tested. Not because they're not smart, but because they skipped the process. They wanted the outcome without respecting the journey. So let's be clear, faking it works. It gives you confidence, it gets you access, it changes how people treat you, it changes how you see yourself. Sometimes it's the only reason you even get the opportunity. But that's only the first half of the equation, and most people stop there. They get the door open and think they've made it. They haven't, they've just been invited. The second half is what determines whether you rise or get exposed. Because confidence without competence is just performance. And performance might impress people for a moment, but it doesn't survive pressure. Pressure reveals everything. Let me show you what this looks like. You fake confidence in a job interview, you get hired. People respect you, they trust you, they expect results. Now the real game starts. Now the mask gets tested. Because now you can't talk your way through it. You have to perform. And if you don't have the skills, you don't last. Not because the opportunity was bad, but because you weren't prepared to carry it. This is where most people fail. They fall in love with the packaging, but avoid the real work. They want the title without the responsibility. They want the image without the discipline behind it. They want to be seen without being built. And that's why they burn out. That's why they get exposed. That's why they disappear. Real growth is this. Act like the person, but train like the beginner. Walk into the room with confidence, then go home and earn it. Study, practice, fail, adjust, repeat again. Study, practice, fail, adjust, repeat. That's what builds capacity. That's what builds confidence that cannot be shaken. The performance opens the door, but it's the preparation behind the door that keeps you in the room. Not luck, not hype, not talk, work. Quiet work, unseen work, uncelebrated work. Don't just learn how to look successful. Learn how to become respected. Because respect is not given to the loudest person. It's given to the most prepared one. So yes, fake it if it gets you in the room. But don't stop there. Build it, earn it, become it. If this changed how you see it, type real work in the comments. And if you're serious about growth, subscribe. This is The Street Lecturer. Class dismissed.